So today we'll be learning how to create dynamic search bar in Excel. So for example, we have this data set here. You may like to go to a search for any particular name, last name, or the country, or by age, without going through the data one by one. So for example, here I can start typing a name here. So let's say Cam. That's the first name. As you can see, it has shown up here. I can also start searching by the country name. So today this is what we'll be learning how to do in Excel. So let's deep dive into the main sheet. So here the first thing is, let's convert this data into a table. So to do that, Ctrl T. So now as you can see, it has highlighted. So let's just click OK. So we can change this table style into our preferable style. Then from there, let's also copy this heading here. Then let's paste it anywhere around here. Okay, let's also resize it as well. Okay, let's also increase this columns here. Alright, so now in order to create the search button, we'll have to use some various formulas. To do that, first let's click on the developer. So under the home, you scroll down to the develop tab. From the ribbon here, you click on the developer tab. From there you can see here insert. When you click on the drop down there, you can see here active control. So you look for the one with the text box. So let's click on that. So once you click on it, you can see here it is showing plus, so you can put it at anywhere. So I am putting my under hot cell H4. Cell H4 is my cell box that I'm putting the text box in. Okay, so you can just resize it to any sizable column. Alright, from there, as it's still at the design mode, click on property from here. From property here, by default you can see here the blue link is showing link cell. So you put your cursor there, then you type H4. So we are linking this cell H4 into this, then you enter, then you can now close that button. So still the text box is under the design mode. So let's click on design mode again. Okay, so now we have linked this. So let's type name there James, but still James, the name is still not showing as a search item here. Let's resize this again so that we can get the full name there. Okay, good. So let's undo this again. Alright, so you can see that the name we have typed there James, but still the search engine is not working. So now we have to use some dynamic formulas. To do that, let's put our cursor here is equal to filter. So the filter there, the various arguments, the first one is array. Arrays are the whole data set here. So you put your cursor here, then you highlight to the last column there, then Ctrl Shift, then the drop down, the drop arrow. From there the next argument is you put the comma, then its number. That's the next function you're going to use. Its number. So you are saying that whatever you're going to search is either true or false, so 0 or 1. So now the search, we are going to now define the search criteria. Our search that we are using what? The one that we have linked here earlier, that's the H4. So let's put the H4 there, comma. Then where we can use any of these columns in the first column, either first name, last name, or by country or by age. First of all, let's use the last name, the first name. So let's put our comma, our cursor here, then Ctrl Shift to the down arrow, Then again it has highlighted the first column, that's the name. Then let's put the let's bracket twice, then comma. So assuming there's nothing, the search engine couldn't find any match, then you should display what not found. So you put everything into quotation, not found, then you close it, and you can now close bracket again, enter. So now as you can see that now James is there. So you can see here James is here, is also here as well, right? So now let's also type any name there. Let's type Harry. So you can see that once you start typing anything that starts with H, the word pop up. You can continue typing your search until the last one. Then again, let's type any name with Steve. So Steven also here, or Judith. So as you can see, you're able to perform any dynamic search from here. Again, so someone can say, okay, let me also use the last name here as my search engine. So let's type the first name there, Clark. So you type Clark, but nothing is found. But you can see here, Clark is in the data set. Someone can also use by the search by using the country column. For example, USA. Nothing is found, but we can see what USA in this column. Someone may also search by using the H column, so nothing is found when I type any number here. So now we have to add more search criteria to our formula. So let's go back to our formula here. So we are saying that from the is number as a formula there, you copy out to the last bracket. You copy that, you put your cursor in between this and then the comma plus Ctrl V. So now since our first search criteria was by first name, let's change the second one to what last name. So start typing last name. Once you start typing it to pop up, accept it. Then again you put plus again, Ctrl V. Then let's also what add our third search item by what country. So start typing country. Again, let's also add the H, so plus Ctrl V again. Let's also remove this and then add what H there. So accept. So now hit enter. So now you can see here. So now let's use the first name again, James there. Let's use Cam. You can see there by using by the last name. Let's use by country. You can also type Ghana. You can type Mexico. So you can see all the countries that Mexico, they are all showing there. You also type by Italy, so you can see there. So you're able to hot. But let's time also say, okay, I'll search by name by age. So start typing the age number or type any range for column 42. So you see 41. So you see, so imagine I've typed more than a number, I can tell you not found. So you see, this is how you're able to create what dynamic search button in Excel. So now let's add more search interface to make our search button more appealing. To do that, let's go to insert here. From there, let's go to shapes. So let's select this shape here. You can see it's in plus mode, so let's put anywhere. Resize it to any sizable column that you wish to get. Then let's from there, from the shape field, let's click the drop down there and click no fill. So now let's drag it to this interface here. Okay, then let's readjust the search button, the one we have earlier. So let's resize it to fit this column. Okay, so now let's change the developer from the design mode to not more inactive. Okay, so now let's also add some search icon there. So in order to do that, let's click on insert. From insert you click on icons. So the icons, it load and then we can search for the search icon there. It is loading. Okay, so now let's type the search, hit enter. So you can see that we have our hot search icon there. So let's double click this. so now you can see that we have. So now let's add this to the search button interface. Okay, so I can change this one to any color of my choice. I'll use red. So I'm going to hold it and then put it under this. So now you can see that it's showing very good image here. Okay, I can also add another box before doing that. Let me add another shape there. So let me use this one that has a round shape. Okay, so I can turn it this way. I can resize it. Then I also choose no fill. Then the outline I can use blue. Okay, alright, so I can now drag it to fit this. Then I'll now move the search icon there to fit in this. Okay, so now we have a great and nice design search button. So now we can now start searching by name, by last name, by country. So you can see there, by age. Alright, so this is how you're able to create a dynamic search button in Excel. Thank you very much. See you again in the next video.